Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. For example, right here with the usage of the dialer, find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it, and then tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon. Here we've got the differentiation between the contact photo and the calling card. So I will focus on the picture one, but I highly recommend also customizing the calling card. So let me tap on the circle with plus icon, and now we've been transferred to the sections from which we can choose the photo from. So here in the device photos, we've got the gallery. We can open it and choose something from our files, or immediately open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of you. In Google Photos, we've got our backed up photos. In Monogram, we've got the letter. So basically we can tap on it and use two different letters of your choice. You can also change the background and the font. Instead of the Monogram, you can use Emoji. Just tap on it, tap on Emoji, and now we can choose from the list. For example, this one. Again, you can change the background color. We've got quite a lot of options to choose from. And you can either display it as the emoji or tap on the switcher to make it more icon-like. So it's up to you. And here illustrations, which are free of charge, and they are available online. So they are quite a good option, especially if you do not have the photo of the person whose contact you'd like to customize. So just tap on the picture. Here you've got also the presets, so you can change the colors, which are cool, and you can frame the picture. So if you will choose the illustration, your photo from the gallery or whatever, you will be able to zoom it in or out, change the position of it, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. Tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.